Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to import and customize PDF files directly in Canva. Whether you're hoping to give a fresh look to an old worksheet, make your resume pop, or simply tweak that PDF you just downloaded, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know step by step how to bring your PDF into Canva and transform it with your own style. Let's get started right at the beginning with getting into Canva. First things first, go to Canva.com in your web browser. Here you'll need to log into your account. If you've already got one, perfect. Just type in your email and password like you usually do. If you're new to Canva, don't worry, setting up an account is totally free and takes just a minute. Logging in is important because all changes you make will be saved automatically, and you'll have easy access to your designs anywhere you go. Now let's talk about importing your PDF. This part is much easier than many people expect. You've got your PDF file ready, maybe it's something you created in another program, or perhaps it's a template you want to spice up. Head over to the main Design Templates area in Canva. Here's a neat trick. You can simply drag and drop your PDF file straight into the Canva window. So just open up the folder where your PDF is stored, click and hold your file, and drag it over to Canva. Release it when you see Canva highlight and your PDF will begin uploading. Don't worry if it takes a few moments, especially for larger files. Canva's just working its magic behind the scenes. Once your PDF finishes uploading, you'll see it appear within Canva's workspace, all split into individual pages if your PDF has more than one. To open up the imported PDF and start editing, all you have to do is click on its thumbnail, just a single click. Canva will open it up for you, turning each PDF page into an editable design slide. This is a real game changer compared to many other PDF editors because it treats your PDF like any other Canva project, meaning all the creative tools are now at your fingertips. Now here comes the fun part, customizing your PDF. You might be wondering, what exactly can I change? Well, almost everything. Text, images, colors, and even graphical elements, all can be edited and updated to suit your needs. For example, maybe you want to add your company logo to the top of the first page. All you need to do is click Uploads in the Canvas sidebar, drop in your logo file, and position it wherever you'd like. Or perhaps the font in the PDF is a bit bland. Just select the text and change the font style, size, or color. You can even add fun design elements like icons, photos, or illustrations from Canva's huge library. Imagine turning a drab worksheet into something kids actually want to complete, or taking a plain report and giving it a punch of personality. Take your time experimenting here. The more you play around, the more you'll discover how much is possible. And if you make a mistake or want to try something different, remember that Canva's undo and redo buttons make it safe to experiment. Don't worry if something looks a bit off at first. Tweaking and adjusting is part of the creative process, so now you know exactly how to import, open, and really make your PDF files your own inside Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It definitely helps the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want tips on specific Canva features, and be sure to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.